Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone's doing safe out there. So today's video is gonna be about another Face Shop kit. So this one is the addictive skincare kit. This is from Face Shop. This was a limited edition kit which they launched for Diwali. Yeah, this is for Diwali. This was a limited edition kit. There were only few of these bags which were available. I don't know who all grabbed it, but if you all did, amazing, because it was only available on Myntra. It was not available on Nykaa. It was only on Myntra. So all the people whom I know, I actually texted saying that, there's this kit, go grab it. I hope you all did. So I'm quickly gonna go ahead and show you all the products which are inside this kit. I know it is not available right now, but at least I'm going to show you all the products, how they work, and a review about these products. So I'm quickly going to show you all what are the products in this. So firstly, like I always say, I've said in the previous videos as well of my Face Shop review kits, that they're bags. This is a bag with the handle like this. What an amazing bag. It's of really good quality, so good, and it has a zip, and this is how the bag looks. So the first product I have is, as usual, most of the kits of Face Shop have, is the Rice Water Bright foaming cleanser. You all have heard me raving about these products in my previous video of Face Shop review. So this is an amazing face cleanser you all can invest in. So this is one that we've got, and the other one I have is a hand cream. Last time I got the green tea one. If you all check my previous video, the Working Woman kit, this time I got the Cherry Blossom hand cream. And next I have is a sheet mask. This is the Solution Brightening Face Mask sheet. This is one, and the next one we have is the I don't know if they pronounce it Jeju, but this aloe gel. It's 99% aloe. This from Face Shop. This is an aloe vera gel. And the next we have is Yevadam. Last time we had another one, but this time it's a brightening kit. So this is a Yevadam brightening kit. I'm going to quickly open it. I'm going to show you all what are the products in this as well. And lastly, we got a mask. It says glow that will start rumors. This is so good, this mask. We have these other masks that we have which we cannot even breathe. This is such a breathable mask. I've already worn it already, so it's so good. It helps from that maskne kind of thing which is happening for all of these girls out there. It's so good, so comfortable to carry on. For all the people who've grabbed this kit, you all know what I'm talking about, how good this is. And these are all the products in the bag. This is how the bag looks. Isn't it the prettiest bag ever? So firstly, like I spoke about this one, so I'm not gonna rave much about this, about the Face Shop. One of the best products you can actually get if you're a person who applies makeup every single day and need to remove every slick of makeup which is on your face by the end of the day. Use this. You can go ahead, remove with your makeup remover, then use this face wash and remove it. Every inch of your makeup on your face will be gone once you use this face cleanser. And the next one we have is a sheet mask. This is just normal sheet mask which we get in every Face Shop kit. And I like their hand creams because they're very watery type, not very creamy type, which makes your hand very greasy. It is very watery type and really works well on hands. It is not long lasting though, but just for a couple of minutes works really good. And the next one is the mask, which I already said, it's a very breathable mask. And this one is the aloe vera gel. I've almost half of it has been used. Like this one, this is the consistency. It has no color in it. It's the green color showing because of the box, but it's a transparent box. It's so amazing, smells amazing too. So trust me, I've been using so many aloe vera gels, name it Patanjali and so many other brands, and I never believed in aloe vera gel. I used to be like, what would it even do? Because when we have so much skincare intact with us, so I always never believed that aloe vera gel would do anything. The other day I had pimples and rashes on my skin. I just because this kit came in, I purchased this, and that's the same day I got this delivered. I applied it on my entire face. uh, y'all won't believe me, the way it suited my skin down, you know, that burning inflammation or anything. Even my mom, she actually burnt her skin, she had a rash, I actually gave her that too. It helped her calm, the skin down. This works so well. This is one aloe gel you need to invest in, and you will never regret buying this. One of the best product. And also I started using this as soon as I finished having my shower. Instead of putting on the moisturizer on my entire body, I started using applying this on my entire body as soon as I finished having my shower, and it gives such a beautiful smooth skin. Just amazing. Y'all need to buy this. It's a must product that y'all need to buy. And regarding this Yavadam range brightening kit, so like I said previously, this product is for people who are in their early 20s. Yavadam range, I always say, for people who are in the early 20s, you need to start using it, like let's just say 23, 24, 25, because it works so well. And this kit is a brightening kit, so this kit helps in if you have any pigmentation or acne scars on your face, it helps in brightening and reducing the scars on your face. I already used this. This is the second kit. I'll just open and I'll show it to you all what are the products inside this kit. And we get 4 products. One is a toner, so these are this minis. You'll get this separately as well on Nykaa. I'm gonna leave the link to buy this product separately as well. This is this is a toner, emulsion, serum and a moisturizer. I'm gonna go ahead, use it, and I'm gonna show you all how to use these products as well. These are such amazing products. You all cannot expect results once you all use this just in like 2-3 days. You'll need to use it for a couple of weeks to see the difference on your face, and trust me, this actually works wonders on your face. I'm gonna show this to you all, and the consistency is also very good. That one product you all can invest in. So in all of these products, if you ask me to pick up any 2 products in this bag that you would I would pick up, is one is this gel for sure. This is like the best gel I could ever have. And the next one is the Yavadam range. This one works really well. So again, people in their early 20s, this is for people who are having too much pigmentation on your skin or too much acne scars on your skin. It helps in decreasing the scars on your skin. So go ahead and watch, guys. I'm gonna swatch these, and I'm gonna show you all, not swatch, I'm gonna show you all how to use these products, and you all can check that out. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you all how to use the Yavadam products. So firstly, I'm gonna take a Yavadam toner, take a cotton pad, apply some generous amount of toner over the cotton pad, and then start applying it very gently on my entire face, because the video is in fast forward, so it's to be seen that I'm going very quick, but I went very slow and very gently on your face, not too much pressure on your face. And after this is done, I'm gonna take the emulsion. So this is a thick based formula, so I'm gonna take generous amount of it, rub it between my fingers, and then start tapping it on my entire face so that my face absorbs the emulsion. And also you can pull it till your neck too. You can also apply it on your neck as well, the emulsion. Once this is done, I'm gonna go ahead and take the serum, and you'll see I'm taking generous amounts of it, not little amounts of it, and then I'm gonna start patting it on my face. So one thing you'll need to notice is after each step, I'm gonna give a minute time. It's not to be seen in the video, but after every step I gave a minute's time and then started going to another step. So once I finished patting the serum on my entire face, now I'm gonna take the cream. This is a thick base formula, so I'm gonna take this, apply it and massage this on my face, not pat it. I'm gonna massage it, and when I massage it, you'll see I'm trying to pull my skin upwards and not downwards, so that it does not make your skin saggy once you start aging, and it keeps your skin very firm. And in skincare, you start with very light formula to a very thick base formula on your face. You might feel this products very heavy on your face, but that's fine because once you sleep with it, it's gonna work amazing in the night. Then I'm gonna take this Jeju aloe vera gel. I'm gonna take this, like I said, I'm using it as a moisturizer. I almost finished half of it. It's a very transparent one, like you'll see as I've applied on my hands. Like the moisturizer, I'm gonna apply it on my hands and legs in the night, and once I wake up in the morning, it's gonna be soft. So that was all the products which were in this bag. So I'm gonna go ahead, since this was a limited edition and since this kit is no longer available, so what I'm gonna do is, if you all want to buy these products separately, I'm gonna leave a link for all these products in the description section below. Go check these products out. And if you all are having this thing in your head, that a question in your head, if these products are authentic, can we buy this, is Face Shop a trusted brand? Trust me, Face Shop is a trusted brand. You all can Google it, you all can check. They have some amazing ingredients going on in them, so it works really well. It's a Korean skin care product which work very well on Indian skin as well. It works really good. Go ahead, give it a try. I hope you all like this video. If you all did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, so it helps me create more such video for you guys. I hope you all have a great day, you guys. Bye.